Hey guys, new video for you people. Today is the Microtech knife. It comes with a very nice sheet. This one is called the Combat Troodon. Okay, it has a cool dinosaur head and it's double-edged. It's from Microtech. This is a glass breaker, or maybe you can use it as a baton. It can also be removed, and they have a different type of tip. Some are very cool. The clip, it's very nice. It will fit. It's very hard, and you can have your knife sit in your pocket really low. The ergonomics, it's good. Aluminum handle. This one is made in October 2009. Alright, let's see the edge. Okay. I chose this one. This is kind of like a bit blasted, and it has a full serrated edge on top and plain edge on the bottom. It has a cool line. I think this is for a blood groove or something like that. This is the back side. It says S30V. That's the steel it's using. The button has a F. I think it's for forward, and R maybe for retrieve. The blade's about 3.5 inches long, maybe 4, close to 4, and the sole purpose of this knife is defensive and personal defense and tactical use. For military people. It's really nice, very fast, and I think it also has the safe system where if it bumps, oh shit, yeah, if it bumps, then the blade will not go through. Alright, it actually went through from the side. Oh, I guess that's too thin then. But don't worry, it will not go through your leg, so it's fine. The knife is very sharp out of the box, and sincerely, I have this knife like as a collector knife, because I don't really trust automatic knives, and that's just me. Although this knife is it's been proven for many people and many years, but I still don't trust automatics. I don't want my defensive knife in an emergency situation breaks off, although I doubt it, but still, like my old I still like my old folding knives. Alright, thank you guys.